Section number 11, bypass diode and hotspot heating. Lecture number 1, hotspot heating. Learning objectives of lecture number 1. Learner should able to understand hotspot heating over solar panel. Learner should able to understand significance of hotspot heating. Hotspot heating occurs when there is one low current solar cell in a string of at least several high short circuit current of a solar cells. Basically, when any solar cell or a solar panel or the part of a solar panel is getting shaded by a permanent shadow, that time that particular solar cell will generate a very low amount of current, and other solar cells which are exposed to the sunlight are generating the high amount of current. So there is a mismatch between the current flown through a circuit, and therefore a large amount of current has been dissipated through a shaded portion of a solar cell, and because of which a hotspot heating concept is appearing. In hotspot heating, either the glass is cracking over the solar panel, rather the hotspot has been created at an individual position. Like this in the diagram has been shown, a cell is damaged at this position. Due to the permanent shadow at this position, there is a low current formation of a solar cell is happening, and because of which a large amount of current has been flown through a shaded cell. Because of that, this goes into the forward bias condition, and therefore a heating is happening over here. If the operating current of an overall series string approaches the short circuit current of a bad cell, the overall current becomes limited by the bad cell. The extra current produced by the good cells then forward biases the good solar cells. If the series string is short circuited, then the forward bias across all of these cells reverse bias the shaded cell. Hotspot heating occurs when a large amount of series connected cells cause a large reverse bias across the shaded cells, leading to large dissipation of power in the poor cells. Essentially, the entire generating capacity of all the good cells is dissipated into the poor cell, because the poor cell having the low current generating ability and the good cells are having the high current generating ability. So the high current is at a short amount of time is passing through a shaded current or the shaded solar cell, and because of that a short circuit is happening or hotspot heating is happening in that position. The enormous power dissipation occurring in a small area result in the local overheating or hotspots, which in turns lead to destructive effects such as cell or glass cracking, melting of solders, and degradation of solar cell also. There is one point to note that one shaded cell in a string reduces the current through the good cells, causing the good cells to produce higher voltage that can often reverse bias the bad cell basically.